Will coaching help me achieve success faster? Well, coaching will without a doubt help you to achieve success so much faster and show you the finer details of how to achieve success so much faster. The strategies to actually grow your business and to multiply your income. The 3-day Digital Quantum Leap Challenge is a program that's designed to get your online business set up and launched. And with that knowledge and the implementation of that knowledge, you can already create a successful online business with affiliate marketing. But if you want to grow your business so much faster, get help and advice if you have something you struggle with, learn other strategies, get the latest information about what is working in the affiliate marketing space, become an expert at your business, then coaching is the most effective way of doing that, and it will help you achieve success so much faster and multiply your income. So, I've created the 3-day Digital Quantum Leap Challenge to give you the 3-step system to set up and to launch your affiliate marketing business. And you can do that today for only $7 by clicking the button at the bottom of this page to get immediate access. And once you've signed up, you will have the option of also joining the coaching program at a very affordable monthly rate, without paying thousands of dollars upfront that most coaches would charge you. And you decide how long you want to stay in the coaching or cancel anytime you feel that you have achieved your goals. So go ahead, sign up to the 3-day challenge, and then join the coaching program.